Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about FormStack, which is a very nice online form builder software. We are going to cover pros and cons, the pricing options, and I'll tell you more about the FormStack. In the end, they are providing very nice free trial option, and we are going to check it out. So, what is FormStack? FormStack is among the best online form builders since it offers A/B testing between two forms to check which one is better. It can convert the form data into PDF files that can be downloaded and shared. It also has analytics that offers key insights to help the users in understanding the user's behavior. It also has certain other elementary features like emails, which are pushed to the users each time a data form is submitted. The forms also come integrated with a payment option that is done with utmost security and has calculating field for quantities and also amount for tickets and related fields. Following the payment, it allows sending customized emails with a confirmation. And thanks to the HIPAA compliance, which allows secure collection of sensitive data. There are various integrations like HubSpot, Salesforce, Dropbox, Google Sheet, etc. With so much on offer, FormStack is among the best the users can get. We've been doing some tutorials or some basically rankings of Yacht form, and so far I would say the Yacht form is best, but let's check it out what FormStack has. It's made for all types of companies, the small, medium, and even the large. They are located in US, and you can run it in your web browser or in your mobile phone if you have Android or iOS as well. So let's check it out. Let's check out the pricing. You can check a couple of options: the forms, documents, and also signs. But we are in here for forms. So let's check the pricing. And they are still trying. Yes, I accept, but not now. Okay. So you can choose if you want to be built annually or monthly. There is some discount if you decide to go annually. So for starter, there is $50 a month built annually, 1 user, 20 forms, 1000 submissions, 5 themes, and 1 GB of storage. They are not offering free forever option. So that's one minus. Let's check for the HIPAA compliance, and it's only in enterprise level option. Then we have $83 as they claim is most popular for teams, and then a pro for $208 a month, or $250 almost if you want to go monthly. That's a lot of money just for a form builder. But as they claim, try it for free. So let's do it. Straight away, you can check where you are located. They are not using your current location. So we have to go with Slovakia. 911. Like this. Name. The thing what I don't like about filling out this form is that you can't really log in straight away with your Gmail account. That's really a shame, I would say. Organization name, let's go with ABC. 1 to 19. Education, and I understand. So far, they are not, it seems like they are not working. through authentication via email. Okay. And we can go straight away to the dashboard. So let's see. You can invite members, you can create a form. And I don't know what this means. And this is really weird. Okay, UI wise, it's 50-50. It's not as great as YotForm, but I think I can work in it. So click create a form. And I'm clicking and nothing's happening. Okay. Okay. Let's go with form. Okay, let's try to go like this and create a new form. It's a form. Okay, next step. Name, form. Okay, start with a blank. No, we don't have to. So, welcome to your blank form. What we have here, or start with the template. No, I don't want that. So we have even like styles. Okay, that's okay. So let's start with the name. Okay, nice. Then we have an address. Okay. And email address maybe. Oh, you have to basically try to fit your new columns into certain line. That's new. And we view the live form. Okay, not bad. It's very easy. They are not trying to overcomplicate things. It's easy to read, but it's too busy. There's too much of an options in here. We have conversation kills, settings, share, submissions. I don't know. I don't feel it as YotForm. We covered more. Not just we have also Typeform covered, Ada form. So I've been through some forms already, and I don't feel this one. It's expensive. They are not providing the free forever option. So as you can see, your tour will end on May 26th. If you need help, blah blah blah. Okay. And I don't know, I don't feel it. I don't really like, this is too big. We can compare it with YotForm, for example, if you want to, from what is it like. And yeah, this is this is how it looks in YotForm. So easily you can just date picker, easily, nice, boom, remove, delete field, easy. It's here as well, but this I like way more. It's not that busy. You have payments, you have widgets, e-signatures, you can easily add. That's some crazy stuff that the YotForm has. And remember, this is free forever. I'm expecting obviously some watermark, because it can't be just free, but this is way nicer than this one. So for me, the YotForm wins, and it's not that expensive. And yeah, like, I know they are offering more, not just forms. I mean, the FormStacks, they're offering more, but I'm here just to compare forms. And in this, the YotForm wins. If you guys have more questions about these softwares, please leave them underneath this video and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.